Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I'm so sorry for not being so consistent on YouTube lately, but today I decided to go back with a new video. This is a paint with me video. I'm going to share with you how to paint a lovely Christmas winter wreath. I think it's maybe too late for Christmas card tutorials maybe, but maybe you can use this tutorial as a last minute Christmas card, hopefully, or just watch it to enjoy during your holiday. This is probably my last video for this year. I want to make this video as a gift for all my lovely subscribers, and also just to want to say happy holiday wish to all of you whoever watching this video. I hope that you can paint along with me, as the tutorial is very easy, very simple, and very relaxing to paint. I feel like a year goes by so quick, and now it's almost the end of this year and we're about to move on to a new year, and I just feel like I haven't done anything during this year, honestly. But I've been very busy lately. The reason is because I just got a new job. It's just a typical office job, but I am very happy and grateful that I actually got a job during this time of the year, and have some sort of stable income to provide for my family. But at the same time, since it's a full-time job, so I couldn't afford to do YouTube video as often as I was able to do before. So it's kind of sad, and I love painting. I love sharing idea with other like-minded people like you who also love painting and want to learn from each other. And you know what, when I make this video, I was so happy to paint again after a long time being busy with a new job. And I was thinking, maybe if I try a little bit harder, I will be able to keep my hobbies, painting, and also keep doing YouTube videos as a creative practice for myself. Maybe I just try to organize my time a little bit more efficiently. So at one point I was thinking of quitting YouTube and just focus on my job, but now I don't know, I feel like I love painting so much, then I will try to rearrange my life, try to organize, and try to find some time to keep this as a creative hobby, and also try to keep it as something to help me connect with other people like me who also love painting. Sorry if I keep scrambling. I just want to chit chat, and I want to update you guys since I haven't been uploading any video in a long time. And you guys subscribe to my channel, so you deserve to know what's going on. And yeah, that's what I want to share. I will keep uploading watercolor tutorials as often, as much as I can. I really appreciate all of you who subscribe to my channel and follow my journey. I hope that you will keep supporting me, and I wish all of you happy holiday, a happy season with full of peace, joy, and happiness. And now I will let you enjoy this tutorials. Hope that you enjoyed it and help you relax. I will see you in my next video, and have a nice day. Bye.